Hello friends. Here is a profitable binary indicator you would want to have at your disposal. It is very simple and easy to understand. Let me show you a quick display how it works. Here we go. At any point where the arrow and the line are the same color, it signifies an entry at that level. The red arrow facing down signifies a sell entry. The blue arrow facing up signifies a buy entry. So if any of the arrows appears, and the line that followed it is same as the color of the arrow that appeared, we make our entry. It could be a red arrow or a blue arrow. What we need to look out for before placing a trade is the color of the line that follows the arrow. Happy trading, guys! Hello guys! Watch the live video on how the indicator works. Now I'm going to apply the indicator. First, I want you to observe these three items here. ITM means we are in profit. OTM means we're in loss. ATM means we made a draw. This indicator is designed to close every trade after 5 candlesticks. Now let's trade. This arrow does not confirm with the line, so we make no entry, cause both have different colors. Here is our sell arrow, and as you can see the line confirms an entry. Both arrow and the line are the same color, so we place our sell order. We made our first profit here, you can see it on our ITM. So we wait for another entry. Here is another sell arrow, and as you can see the line still confirms an entry. Both arrow and the line are the same color, so we place our sell order again. We made our second profit here. You can see it on our ITM. So we wait for another entry. Here is our buy arrow, and as you can see the line confirms an entry. Both arrow and the line are the same color, so we place our buy order. Let's see how it plays out. Once again another profit. So we wait for another entry. Here is another buy arrow. And as you can see, the line still confirms an entry. Both arrow and the line are the same color. So we place our buy order again. Let's see how it plays out. Here we made our first loss. So we wait for another entry. Here's our sell arrow, and as you can see, the line confirms an entry. Both arrow and the line are the same color. So we place our sell order. Another sell arrow. Here is our fourth profit in the market. Thanks for watching.